Earvin Magic Johnson Jr., born August 14, 1959, is an American businessman and former professional basketball player. Widely regarded as the greatest point guard of all time, Johnson spent his entire career with the Los Angeles Lakers in the National Basketball Association (NBA). After winning a national championship with the Michigan State Spartans in 1979, Johnson was selected first overall in the 1979 NBA draft by the Lakers, then led the team to 5 NBA championships during their Showtime era. Johnson retired abruptly in 1991 after announcing that he had contracted HIV, but returned to play in the 1992 All-Star Game. Winning the All-Star MVP award, he retired again after fellow players protested his return, but returned in 1996 at age 36 to play 32 games for the Lakers before retiring for the third and final time. Known for his extraordinary court vision, passing abilities, and leadership, Johnson was one of the most accomplished and influential players in basketball history. He received 3 NBA Most Valuable Player awards, 3 NBA Finals MVP awards, 9 All-NBA First Team designations, and 12 All-Star Game selections. He led the league in regular season assists for times. Johnson holds the NBA records for average assists per game in the regular season 11.19 and in the playoffs 12.35 assists per game. He also holds the NBA playoffs records for most career assists and triple-doubles. Johnson was the co-captain of the 1992 United States men's Olympic basketball team, the Dream Team, which won the Olympic gold medal in Barcelona. Johnson is one of 8 players to achieve the basketball Triple Crown. After leaving the NBA in 1991, he formed the Magic Johnson All-Stars, a barnstorming team that traveled around the world, playing exhibition games. Johnson was honored as one of the 50 greatest players in NBA history in 1996 and selected to the NBA 75th anniversary team in 2021, and became a 2-time inductee into the Naismith Memorial Basketball Hall of Fame, being enshrined in 2002 for his individual career and as a member of the Dream Team in 2010. Since his retirement, Johnson has been an advocate for HIV or AIDS prevention and safe sex, as well as an entrepreneur, philanthropist, broadcaster, and motivational speaker. Johnson is a former part owner of the Lakers and was the team's president of basketball operations in the late 2010s. He is a founding member of Guggenheim Baseball Management, the managing entity of the Los Angeles Dodgers MLB. He is part of ownership groups of the Los Angeles Sparks WNBA, Los Angeles FC MLS, the Washington Commanders NFL, and the Washington Spirit NWSL. Johnson has won 16 championships during his career, 1 in college, 5 as an NBA player, and 10 as an owner. In 2025, Johnson received the Presidential Medal of Freedom, the highest civilian award of the United States. As of May 2026, his net worth is estimated at $1.6 billion United States dollars by Forbes. His friendship and rivalry with Boston Celtics star Larry Bird, whom he faced in the 1979 Finals and 3 NBA championship series, are well documented. Early life. Irvin Johnson Jr. was born in Lansing, Michigan, to General Motors assembly worker Irvin Sr. and school janitor Christine. Johnson, who had 6 siblings and 3 half-siblings by his father's previous marriage, was influenced by his parents' strong work ethic, his mother spent many hours after work each night cleaning their home and preparing the next day's meals, while his father did janitorial work at a used car lot and collected garbage, all while never missing a day at General Motors. Johnson would often help his father on the garbage route, and he was teased by neighborhood children who called him Garbage Man. His mother raised him in the Seventh-day Adventist Church. Johnson came to love basketball as a young man. His favorite basketball player growing up was Bill Russell, whom he admired more for his many championships than his athletic ability. He also idolized players such as Earl Monroe and Marx Haynes and practiced all day. Johnson came from an athletic family. His father played high school basketball in his home state of Mississippi, and Johnson learned the finer points about the game from him. Johnson's mother, originally from North Carolina, had also played basketball as a child, and she grew up watching her brothers play the game. By the time he had reached the 8th grade, Johnson had begun to think about a future in basketball. He had become a dominant junior high player, once scoring 48 points in a game. Johnson looked forward to playing at Sexton High School, a school with a very successful basketball team and history that also happened to be only 5 blocks from his home. His plans underwent a dramatic change when he learned that he would be bused to the predominantly white Everett High School instead of going to Sexton, which was predominantly black. Johnson's sister Pearl and brother Larry had bused to Everett the previous year and did not have a pleasant experience. There were incidents of racism, with rocks being thrown at buses carrying black students and white parents refusing to send their children to school. Larry was kicked off the basketball team after a confrontation during practice, prompting him to beg his brother not to play. Johnson did join the basketball team, but became angry after several days when his new teammates ignored him during practice, not even passing the ball to him. He nearly got into a fight with another player before head coach George Fox intervened. Eventually, Johnson accepted his situation, and the small group of black students looked to him as their leader. When recalling the events in his autobiography, My Life, he talked about how his time at Everett had changed him. As I look back on it today, I see the whole picture very differently. It's true that I hated missing out on Sexton, and the first few months, I was miserable at Everett. But being bused to Everett turned out to be one of the best things that ever happened to me. It got me out of my own little world and taught me how to understand white people, how to communicate and deal with them. Personal life. Johnson is a Christian and has said his faith is the most important thing in his life. Johnson first fathered a son in 1981 when Andre Johnson was born to Melissa Mitchell. Although Andre was raised by his mother, he visited Johnson each summer and later worked for Magic Johnson Enterprises as a marketing director. In 1991, Johnson married Erlitha Cookie Kelly at the Union Missionary Baptist Church in Lansing, which included guests Thomas, Aguirre, and Herb Williams. Johnson and Cookie have one son, Irvin 3EJ, who is openly gay and a star on the reality show Rich Kids of Beverly Hills. The couple adopted a daughter, Eliza, in 1995. Johnson resides in Beverly Hills and has a vacation home in Dana Point, California. HIV activism. I think sometimes we think, well, only gay people can get it. It's not going to happen to me, and here I am saying that it can happen to anybody. Magic Johnson, November 7th, 1991. Johnson was one of the first sports stars to go public about having HIV. AIDS activist Elizabeth Glazer, to whom Johnson had been introduced by a friend, convinced Johnson to go public about his diagnosis. She made me promise before she died that I would become the face of the disease and really go out and help people and educate people about it, Johnson recalled in a 2011 interview with Frontline. After announcing his infection in November 1991, Johnson created the Magic Johnson Foundation to help combat HIV, although he later diversified the foundation to include other charitable goals. He was also the main speaker for the United Nations and World AIDS Day Conference in 1999, and has served as a United Nations Messenger of Peace. In 1992, he joined the National Commission on AIDS, a committee appointed by members of Congress and the Bush administration. Johnson left after 8 months, saying that the White House had utterly ignored the work of the panel and had opposed the commission's recommendations, which included universal health care and the expansion of Medicaid to cover all low-income people with AIDS. To prevent his HIV infection from progressing to AIDS, Johnson takes a daily combination of antiretroviral drugs, blocking and containing the virus. He has advertised GlaxoSmithKline's drugs and partnered with Abbott Laboratories to publicize the fight against AIDS in African American communities. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.